Baka may nag-start eh. Baka may nag-start eh.
Para kung makapag-umpisa na si Ma'am.
The sunshine, first face to face.
Ang dami na niya.
Of the pain they caused my children. Not me anymore. Kasi kaya ko naman. Pero yung sakit na dinaanan ng mga anak ko, yan ang walang kapataparan. But if she's thinking that I will do something here to make, you know, an eksena or whatever, no, I will not do that.
Okay.
She's too low, and I will not dignify her with anything. Baka ibang tao nasampal siya, pero ako hindi ko pagagapuin yung kamay ko dahil baka madulihan.
Wow.